and be sweet on the inside. But if you feel a little bit sour too, well then you can be sweet and sour. And here's the recipe: sweet and sour ham over rice. That's what we're doing today. In a 2-quart saucepan, add a half a cup of sugar, 1/2 of a cup of chicken broth or water, 1/3 of a cup of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil, a teaspoon of soy sauce, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and 1 clove of minced garlic. Heat those together over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it starts to boil. But before it does boil, in a little bowl add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water, and stir that until it's nice and thick. So when the sugar mixture is heated up and starts to boil, you can add the cornstarch mixture to the sugar mixture and stir it up until it's nice and incorporated, and get out any lumps that might appear. And now we're going to add 1 bell pepper chopped up. You can use green or any color. And then a half a can of drained tomatoes. It's actually better to chop up a fresh tomato, but this is what I had on hand using pantry ingredients. Add a can of drained pineapple chunks. Fresh or frozen pineapple would obviously be better. And then add about 2 to 3 cups of chopped ham. This is a great way to use up leftover ham if you have it. So we're going to let that simmer for a while because we want to cook the bell pepper, and all the rest of the ingredients need to be heated through. Definitely add a touch more sugar if you used canned tomatoes. Add a lid and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally, and you can serve it over rice. When my sister came home from college for the summer and I was in high school, she'd come back with some quick, easy recipes, and this recipe is one of them. I, of course, have made this throughout college also and beyond, and it's pretty easy, pretty quick, and satisfying.